Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto, you know how exciting it can be to manage your assets. Today, we're tackling a common task: withdrawing USDT from UltraPro in 2025. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that's super popular for its stability, and UltraPro is a user-friendly platform for trading and storing crypto. Whether you're cashing out for real-world use or transferring to another wallet, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and secure. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you have your UltraPro account set up and verified. This is crucial for security, especially in 2025 when crypto regulations might be even tighter. Start by logging into your UltraPro account using your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet or Assets section. Look for where your USDT balance is displayed. Next, find the Withdrawal option. It might be under a Withdraw button or a dedicated crypto section. Select USDT from the list of available assets. Now, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, there could be minimum withdrawal limits and fees, so double-check those details to avoid surprises. This is important. Input the destination wallet address where you want your USDT to go. Always verify this address twice to prevent any costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. After that, you'll likely need to go through a verification process. This could include two-factor authentication, 2FA, or email confirmation, which adds an extra layer of security. Once everything looks good, hit the Confirm button to process the withdrawal. Depending on network congestion, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the transaction to complete. Keep an eye on your transaction history in UltraPro and your external wallet for confirmation. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Always use a secure internet connection, enable 2FA on your account, and stay updated with UltraPro's policies as things can change in the fast-paced crypto world of 2025. If you encounter any issues, reach out to their support team. There you have it. You've just learned how to withdraw USDT from UltraPro. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there in the crypto space.